TikTok is giving YouTube and Facebook a run for their money. So because of it, they are buckling up, try to meet up before they lose some of their customers. Okay, so because of it, Facebook updated their monetization criteria. So if you are not Facebook page owner and you've not been monetized, please, after this video, check, you might be eligible for monetization. And if you are an aspiring Facebook page influencer, please, this is the best time to open a Facebook page. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, my name is Kingston Simbamara. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe if this is the type of video that you are looking for. Okay, hit the subscription button, put the notification bell on so that you will be the first to be notified whenever I drop video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so let's move forward. What are the criteria that Facebook have updated? Okay, Facebook updated their monetization criteria. Before, it used to be 10,000 followers. You have to get 10,000 followers and 600,000 minute view in the last 60 days. This is a huge number. They have been getting it difficult. Maybe they discovered that they are getting a little amount of people that apply for monetization eligibility, and because of that, it's giving them a tough time, because the more people apply, is the more money they make. Okay, so because of that, they've updated it. Now, instead of 10,000 followers, it's now 5,000 followers, and instead of 600,000 minute view in the last 60 days, it's now 60,000 minute view in the last 60 days. That's all you need to get before you get monetized on your Facebook page. Wow. Okay, so it's very simple, right? To get 5,000 followers is very simple. If you want to know about how to grow your Facebook page faster, I have a video for it, so maybe you check it out. And then if you're looking for how to get monetized, if you're living in ineligible country, I still have the video down there, and I have other videos so you can check them out. So moving forward, you need to have only 5,000, okay, and 60,000 minutes of view. You can get that within 3 to 4 months. All you have to do is just keep on uploading engaging posts. Okay, the posts that it might be a motivational video, it might be whatever you are into. Just make sure it's catchy and people love it. Okay, so whenever you are posting anything, always have your audience in mind. Okay, don't be selfish, don't focus on your own self. Okay, just focus on your audience. Always give them what they want, so that they will be returning and giving you those views that you needed. And also, to get 5,000 followers, if you are very serious, what that video that I dropped, it will help you to grow your page faster. So this is the good news. If you are not Facebook page owner, please go and check. You might be eligible. And if you're a new Facebook owner, you are lucky. This is the right time to run Facebook page. Okay, so this is the information that I have for you. Just rush and check it. And if you want to begin, please, this is the right time to begin your Facebook page. Okay, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button, put on the notification, and also give this video a thumbs up, as I'll be dropping a lot of video concerning Facebook and YouTube stuff and all other social medias that you can make money from. Okay, so always stick with me as we take this journey to the next level. Peace, love you.